Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So let's continue with the modeling of this interior over here. So let's create the second thing over here. So we'll create this same using a line tool over here. So let's go over here. So I'll go into this and I'll give a lathe modifier again. I'll go into this and I'll make it as max. I'll go into the line. I'll activate this. I'll just select this and just push this inside, and I'll push this a bit up and push this a bit. To select this again, push it back to its original position over here. So push it a bit inside over here. So for this same we are going to create. So again take a line over here. That's it. And so let's give a lathe modifier again and make it as a max line vertex. Better. So I'll convert this to editable poly. I'll push it over here. I'll zoom in. I'll put some loops. So let's select the polygons. Select the polygons and let's use bevel over here and make it as a local normal. Push it and click OK. That's it. Alright. So let's go over here and give a shell modifier and just push this down. Let's go over here. Let's take a box again. So let's take a box again over here. Just push this up. So I'll just rotate it, push it over here and scale. Convert to editable poly. Use a swift loop. So push it. So you can just give some other shape if you want. So go into the polygons and use inset. And let's extrude it down better. So let's take a teapot. So just make one teapot over here. I'm just making a normal teapot. Just push it over here. So select this, select the vertices, just push this down, push this over here, scale it. So again make a copy of it, scale it, and into this of the spout and lead, and we have a modifier over here that's called a taper modifier. So let's go into taper or taper. I can just edit it and make it as a cup and make the size a bit smaller, duplicate it, so just duplicate it and that's it. Alright, so once you're done with this, you can just save your files. So very first of all, what I'll be doing is I need to scale this and make it look a bit bigger for a better display. I'll just shift it a bit inside. Alright. So select this and just push this out. Save your files. Alright. So once you're done with this, so you can just push this out a bit. You can push it over here, push this over here. So let's create this table over here. So for creation of this table, I'll go on to the top view and let's take a circle. So let's make a circle over here and squeeze that circle a bit from one side. So push this up. From bottom, from height, we need to shift it to 2 feet. So if I make it as 0, shift it to 2 feet. So I'll just go into this and give a extrude modifier. So I'll just extrude it. Just extrude it. So again I'll go over here, and what I'll do over here is like I'll shift and I'll make one more copy of it and I'll push it down. So instead of extruding this, I'll go into rendering, enabling viewport, and I'll make it as a rectangular, and I'll increase its thickness like this. So again go over here, again use a cylinder, so use a cylinder, push it on the top over here, and we have a modifier called taper. So let's use a taper modifier. So I'm just pushing this up. and I'll just flip it for axis. So Z axis, click OK. So if you see the height is too much, we can just still reduce the table's height till here. Let's rotate it. I'll go into the cylinder and I'll increase its height. Again I'll rotate the cylinder over here and place it in this way. So I'll go into hierarchy, effect pivot only, and shift this over here, and again I will just press shift and duplicate it. So if you want, you can push this a bit out over here and again shift and rotate it, push it over here. Alright, so just select this all and mirror it this way. Alright, you can just scale a bit, push it down better. Now and just click OK. Let's go into this camera angle. Just select this and just scale a bit and push this up. Better, much better. Alright, so just let's make a normal glass material over here. So let's just give a normal glass clear over here and reduce its transparency a bit. Give a white color, you can just alright. So just save your file over here. So let's go back to the camera view. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.